Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of Basics of Java. And now we are learning we have moved ahead on the concept of OOPS, and we are learning about the interfaces. Okay, and in interfaces, let us take an example showing how interfaces are implemented. Okay, so in this source file, I'll be taking all of the classes in the single source file and work on it. So initially, I'll be taking an interface. Interface I have taken naming as voting application. In this voting application, we are said to create a method registration. Okay, and what we have to do actually, whatsoever class will implement this voting application interface has to give definition to this registration method, right? To this registration method, what we are going to do, we will be basically providing an age to it. User will enter its age and it will check if the user is below the age of 12 years, he or she is not a valid person for registration, for voting. And if the age is greater than 12 or 18, we can say, then he or she is eligible for voting, and therefore his user ID or password whatsoever, the registration will proceed further. Okay, now how we are going to achieve this? So for now, I have just created a voting application. Now I will be creating a class called as user registration class, because this user registration class will be implementing voting application. So it has to give definition to this unimplemented method. How we are going to define this, right? First of all, we have to enter the age by the user, right? So in my main class, I will be using the scanner class. I can use that. Not mandatory to use, but it will be okay if I am using it as well. Scanner system.in. Okay, I will be importing the scanner file over here because it has not been imported. So I have imported over here, and I will be just typing a message for the user: enter your age. Okay, and after that I'll be taking a variable as age is equal to sc dot next int. Okay, and just for our sake, I'll be typing a message: enter your name, and I will be taking a string variable name is equal to sc dot next. Right? After that, I have to create the object of which class? User registration, right? So I will be creating the object of user registration class like this, and I will be calling the method registration. So for registration method, I will be providing it both of the variables, that is age and name, or name and age, whatsoever it is. So because the parameters are not matching over here, I will be just providing it the parameters so that I can do logic on that. Acha, here also I have to tell and make the changes. So I will be telling it that I am accepting age and name. Okay, done. Now what am I supposed to do? I will write here, if age is less than 18, print out the message is not or we can say it like this, is not allowed for further I will say it something like this. Sorry, we are not allowed for further registration processes. Okay. And in the else section, I'll be mentioning it. Welcome. You have you can proceed further. Thanks. Okay, so much better like this. So now if I will execute it, enter your age. So I'll be entering say 35, let us assume. Reena, welcome Reena, you can proceed further. Thanks. And again I will execute it and I will enter say 15. Enter your name. Tina. Sorry Tina. You allowed for oh god, okay. You allowed nahi aega. You are not allowed. So I'll have to execute it again. Choose to just verify it. 14. Rahul. Sorry Rahul, you are not allowed for the further registration process. Okay, so hope you guys understand how to actually implement the interface, how to create a class using implementing a particular interface. Also one thing, it is not very necessary that only this class can only implement the interface. There are multiple classes which can implement the interface voting application and also design or implement their own logic. Okay, because interface is just acting as the template and different classes can implement that particular interface so that they can work with it. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you guys understand the concept.